In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at the for loop, and here we have two examples to demonstrate working of for loop. The first one is the range method, where we insert the start and end item, and the loop for, as you can see over here, loops to or iterates through all the sequences that the range method produces. So when we say 0 to 10, it actually produces 0 to 9. So here the value that will be printed for I will be from 0 to 9. Similarly, over here we have a tuple, which you can see as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can access each element of the tuple using the for loop. And here we have the syntax for it: for t in tuple, and then whatever is the value of tuple that gets printed over here. So basically it's going to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go ahead and execute this now, and there you go. You can see for the first range method it says for loop 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then for the tuple example we had, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The value of t is 1, then 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's what for loop is. In the next lecture we'll see how we can control the functioning of while and for loop using break and continue statements.